name is Ekoya. I'm the creator and founder of Silky Sacks, and I'm here today to do a review of this wig grip by Milano Wigs. But before we get started, you know we have to handle some business. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified whenever we drop a new video. Here at Silky Sacks, we drop videos every Monday. We come to you with hair reviews, wig tutorials, wig reviews, product reviews. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Why not? It's free. I know you must like wigs if you hit this video. And also, if you're watching over on Facebook, thank you guys so much. We love you. Over on FB too, go ahead and give us a like and a share. And if you hit this video, then I'm sure that you wear wigs. So Silky Sacks, we have a new PDF that gives you tips on your wigs, you guys, and this one is something that you really want to see because it's 5 tips of how things that you're doing every day when you're wearing your wigs, or you might be doing every day, that can destroy your wigs. So you want to go ahead and download this PDF. It is free. I'm going to put it down in the description box below, so you can get it and find out what these 5 things are, because they are very common and you don't want to be destroying your wig. Whether you're a veteran at this or a rookie getting new to wearing wigs, it'll definitely help you, and it's free, so get it while you can. And also here at Silky Sacks, we love to shout out our Silky Chicks. I love my subscribers, especially for those of us here over on YouTube. When you take the time to comment and subscribe, you guys, it means a lot to me because it is a lot of work doing these videos, and I know a lot of you do videos too, so I always like to send a shout out to our subscribers. So without further ado, today's subscriber is my girl Uniquely Vicky. And Uniquely Vicky said, love this unit for fall. By the way, I'm a member of the Black Girls Who Don't Cornrow too. You guys, so a few videos ago, I was talking about how I cannot cornrow. And so on that video, Vicky went ahead and commented that she is a part of the club and she cannot cornrow either. So if you are a part of the club, go ahead and let us know. Don't be shamed, girl. We are here for each other. You know, I said one of the things I'm going to start trying to do is learning how to cornrow. But in the meantime, we are members. So if you are a member, let me know, like I said, in the description down below. So now, without further ado, you guys, let's get into why you clicked this video. So this is the Milano, and of course I have it on, so it's out of the packaging, but here is the packaging. I got it off of Amazon. I will put the link in the description down below. It is made by Milano Collection Wigs, and this is the lace wig grip, excuse me. And I've been wearing wigs for a few 4 or 5 years now, and you guys, I know I'm late to the game. I never got this. And I don't know, I can't really tell you why. I just would do it the old school way, you know, with the, you know, either cornrow, have my hair cornrowed or braided down into a ponytail, pin it up, and just put the regular cap on it. And the bald method cap was really, really popular. But I have noticed as I'm getting older and as time goes on, my edges were getting thinner, or are getting thinner and wearing down. And we want to protect the just protect the edges, girl. So I was like, you know what, maybe it's time to go ahead and give this a try. So they say for use with lace wigs, so I'm assuming that you can't use this with a wig that is not a lace front, and most wigs are lace front. I mean, there are a few that aren't, but so on the packaging, I'm just going to read it real quick. It says, secures the lace wig in place. It eliminates adhesive and fasteners, protects the edges, which is what the big seller was for me. Eliminates headaches and balding. I don't know about eliminating headaches, but balding, you know, your edges over time. Seamless hairline and part adjustable, one size fits all. And as you can see on the packaging, it has in the blonde. Since I'm a chocolate girl, I got the brown. So how you put the wig grip on is you take it and you open it up. It has Velcro on each end. You want to make sure that the label is facing outward, and then you want to position the lace at the hairline, and then you just want to go ahead and wrap it around your head and attach it. And then I like to have my ears out, because when you wear your real hair, your ears are out, so I don't like to have my ears covered, but some people go ahead and cover their ends. This was very affordable. And you guys, I did try it on last week's wig review, and I'll be honest, it didn't work. I had to take it off because number one, the cap was just too tight, and I felt like because of the way the U parting was made and that hairline, I couldn't get the wig grip and the wig to really work. Now, like I said, I'm new to this. I've only been wearing this wig grip for the last few weeks. So if you're more experienced, please share in the comments down below, maybe a tip. But what I did find is when I wore it with my Bobbi Boss Amber wig, I wore it out over the weekend over a couple weekends ago, excuse me, to my cousin's party, and it held it in place beautifully. So I'm going to show you right here how I took the amber wig out of my lovely Silky sack. And so if you guys aren't familiar with Silky sacks, I will put it down in the link below exactly what a Silky sack is. So yeah, so I went ahead and did that, wore it, and it was great. It kept the wig in place. There wasn't any issues. So my wig is on here nice and secured, you guys, and I wore this wig to my cousin's party. I didn't get footage, so forgive me for that. I was in the moment enjoying myself, but I definitely suggest the wig grip. It is cool. I don't think it works for every wig, but it definitely works for some wigs. And I haven't worn enough to really tell you which wigs, but I think the wigs that have middle parts or side parts are what the wig grip works best for. I think wigs that you have to do maybe like a little bit more styling, or what they call the moon parts, I don't know if this wig grip will really work. But it didn't work on the wig that I tried, as you've seen. But I don't know. You tell me in the comments below. Did it work on those type of wigs for you? Is there something that I'm doing wrong? As I said earlier, I am a beginner. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching. Remember, better care is better wear.